we are talking about the sticky stamper station, and we're going to tell you 8 different ways that you can use this. The very first ways that you can use is to plan your manicures. The second use is for color swatching. The third way is, of course, to clean your stamper. The other way that you can use this that I think is super fun is to create a decal and do reverse stamping on it. So the next way is you can use it to remove your chromes or your glitters. The 6th way is that you can use it as stamping scraper paper. And the 7th way you can use this is to isolate a certain design. You can just go ahead and cut off a slice and then fold it. The 8th way, which I found out that I can actually arrange my studs on here and figure out what the design is before I actually put it on the nail. So what way is your favorite way to use this?